Hi, everyone. About a minute on why Sweden's announcement of a new discovery of rare earth elements matters and why it doesn't. You may have seen this news that LKAB, the Swedish-owned mining firm, last week announced that it had found a huge rare earth element deposit in northern Sweden with potential for something like 1 million metric tons of rare earth oxides. That matters because these rare earth elements are critical to alternative energy technologies. So electric vehicles, wind turbines, they rely on high-strength magnets, specifically neodymium iron boron magnets that are doped usually with dysprosium and terbium. So neodymium, dysprosium, terbium, they're part of what are known as the rare earth elements, also known as the lanthanides or the green elements. If you look at the periodic table, it's that row of elements right below the main grouping of elements. Those are the lanthanides. So why does this matter? Well, because if we're going to have an energy transition, we hear a lot about that, we need a lot of these elements and huge increases, in fact. Second, it matters because China right now has a monopoly on both the production of rare earth elements and the production of the magnets that I just talked about. China controls something like 90% of the global market for these high-strength magnets. So those are the reasons why it matters, but here's the reason why it doesn't matter, at least it doesn't matter in the near term. The stories have quoted the CEO of LKAB as saying, I'm quoting here, "It will be at least 10 to 15 years before we can actually begin mining and delivering raw materials to the market." That's the raw materials. That doesn't include turning them into usable magnets. So this means that for the next 10 to 15 years, we're going to see the same dependence on China for these rare earth elements and for the magnets that are needed for these alt energy technologies. So I'll stop there. Thanks for tuning in. Please follow me on Substack, robertbryce.substack.com. Thanks a lot. See ya.